What's the meaning of cold? Cold. Cold.
Cold. Cold. The term cold is typically used to describe a sensation of low temperature or the absence of warmth. When a person experiences coldness, they often feel uncomfortable and may shiver as their body attempts to generate heat. In addition, cold can refer to a lack of affection or emotion in a relationship or interaction. Coldness in this context may lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness. Overall, the concept of cold carries the connotation of discomfort, detachment, and a lack of warmth or affection.